Are you ready to transform your bedroom into a cozy winter wonderland? What if I told you it takes just a few simple steps to make your space sparkle with the magic of Christmas? Stick around because I'm about to share creative and budget-friendly ideas that will have you saying, "Why didn't I do this sooner?" What small details make a big impact in Christmas bedroom decor? Introduction. Sometimes it's the little things that make your space feel truly magical. Point 1. Decorate door handles and knobs. Tie ribbons with tiny bells around your door handles. Hang miniature ornaments or small stockings from drawer knobs. Use adhesive hooks to hang small wreaths or stars on your closet doors. Point 2. Add personalized touches. Use monogrammed stockings or pillows with your initials. Incorporate handmade decorations like paper snowflakes. Display a framed chalkboard with a festive countdown or quote. Point 3. Light up hidden corners. Add string lights to less obvious spots like under your bed frame. Place a lit snow globe or lantern in a corner. Use battery-operated candles for safety in cozy spots. CTA. Want to know where to get the decor seen in this video? Check the description for product links. What are the best ways to add holiday charm to your bedroom furniture? Introduction. Your furniture can become a centerpiece of your Christmas decor with a few strategic updates. Point 1. Festive dresser and nightstand styling. Place small Christmas figurines or a tiny tree on your nightstand. Add a festive table runner or cloth over your dresser. Use seasonal storage baskets to declutter while keeping the holiday theme. Point 2. Christmas chair makeover. Drape a Christmas blanket over your chair. Add a decorative pillow with holiday sayings like "Merry and Bright." Hang a small wreath or bell decoration on the backrest. Point 3. Decorate your mirror or vanity frame. Mirrors with garlands, fairy lights, or tinsel. Add frosted window decals to mirror corners for a snowy effect. Place ornaments or candles on the vanity for a touch of holiday luxury. Want more ideas like this? Check out the playlist in the description for similar videos. What are some quick and easy ways to add Christmas vibes to your bedroom? Introduction. Decorating your bedroom for Christmas doesn't have to be a big project. A few small changes can create a festive atmosphere almost instantly. Point 1. Incorporate Christmas bedding. Switch to holiday-themed bedding with patterns like snowflakes, reindeer, or plaid. Add soft throws and fluffy pillows in Christmas colors. Think red, green, or gold. Choose textures like velvet or faux fur to make the space feel extra cozy. Point 2. Use string lights creatively. Hang fairy lights around your headboard or window frames for a warm, magical glow. Opt for battery-operated lights to place them on shelves or even in jars. Use twinkling LED lights to mimic the sparkle of Christmas. Point 3. Bring in festive scents. Use candles or diffusers with scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla. Try potpourri bowls or scented sachets to keep the room fresh and festive. Consider a mini Christmas tree with real pine for an authentic holiday aroma. If you're loving these tips, don't forget to like and share this video with friends who adore Christmas too. What are some final touches to complete the look? Introduction. The final touches bring your Christmas bedroom decor full circle and make it truly magical. Point 1. Add music and sound. Place a small Bluetooth speaker to play Christmas carols. Use a sound machine with soft chimes or snowy wind effects. Add motion sensor ornaments that light up and play festive tunes. Point 2. Holiday-themed curtains or rugs. Switch to curtains with subtle holiday designs. Lay down a red or green area rug for a cozy seasonal vibe. Opt for faux fur rugs to mimic snow. Point 3. Finish with seasonal gifts. Stack wrapped gift boxes in a corner for decoration. Use gift bags as part of the decor. Keep a basket with cozy Christmas socks or books by the bed. How can you stay budget-friendly while decorating? Introduction. Creating a Christmas wonderland doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how to do it on a budget. Point 1. DIY decorations. Make garlands using popcorn, cranberries, or paper. Repurpose mason jars into snow globes with small figurines and glitter. Create ornaments using salt dough or old gift wrap. Point 2. Shop smart. Look for seasonal sales or shop at dollar stores. Thrift for vintage Christmas decorations that add charm. Swap decor items with friends or family for a fresh look without spending. Point 3. Use what you have. Transform existing items by wrapping them with tinsel or lights. Use leftover ribbon or wrapping paper to create bows or wall art. Turn your regular throw pillows into festive ones with holiday-themed pillowcases. Want more affordable decor hacks? Check out similar videos in the description. How can natural elements be used for Christmas bedroom decor? Introduction. Nature-inspired decorations bring an earthy, authentic feel to your festive setup. Point 1. Use greenery and garlands. Place fresh or faux garlands on your bed frame or windowsill. Add eucalyptus leaves or holly berries for a pop of color. Drape garlands along your shelves or across your headboard. Point 2. Pine cones and branches. Arrange painted or glittered pine cones in a decorative bowl. Use branches in a vase adorned with tiny ornaments. Create a DIY advent calendar using branches and numbered tags. Point 3. Incorporate natural lighting accents. Use wood-based candle holders or lanterns. Choose rustic-style string lights with warm wooden finishes. Add burlap or linen accents to complement the natural theme. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss cozy decor ideas like these. How can you decorate your walls for Christmas? Introduction. Your walls offer a blank canvas to amplify the festive spirit without taking up space. Point 1. Add seasonal wall art. Swap out regular art pieces for prints featuring Christmas themes like snowy landscapes or holiday quotes. Use peel and stick decals of snowflakes or stars for easy application and removal. Hang a DIY wreath made from pine branches, berries, and fairy lights. Point 2. Create a Christmas photo garland. String together family photos from past Christmases with clips and add twinkling lights. Include holiday cards or prints of vintage Christmas illustrations. Position the garland above your bed or along a feature wall. Point 3. Use removable wallpaper or fabric. Temporary wallpapers in festive patterns can completely change the vibe. Use tapestries or fabric with holiday prints as a backdrop behind your bed. Add adhesive hooks to hang lightweight ornaments or stockings. Leave a comment below and tell me which idea you're excited to try in your room. Now you know exactly how to create a Christmas retreat in your bedroom. Whether it's through cozy bedding, twinkling lights, or natural accents, these ideas will have your space feeling festive and inviting. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in comments below.